Hello family, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to answer 4 questions relating to Cerelac products. If this is your first time of watching my video, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Answering number 1 question, which is how to make or mix the right amount of Cerelac products with liquid. I will say that different Cerelac products come with guidelines or direction on how to make or mix that particular Cerelac product. So when you have bought a particular product, go through the preparation instruction written on the tin or container of the Cerelac. If you are confused as to what to use to measure out the cereal and liquid, you need to watch my video that will appear on the screen right now, titled 4 ways to measure Cerelac and water at home for baby feeding. Answering number 2 question, which is when to give your baby cereal and the amount to give. For infants, Cerelac can be given before or in between family meals, and these are properly timed. Cerelac can be given 1 to 2 hours before family meal or 2 to 3 hours after a family meal. Family meals are usually munched or made soft or cut bit to bit. And for toddlers 1 to 3 years, Cerelac can also be given before or in between family meals, properly timed, like 3 to 4 hours after a solid food or 2 hours before a solid food. On the amount to give, it is advisable you start small on your baby's first Cerelac meal. Start like with 1 or 2 teaspoons and then work it up to the amount he or she is comfortable finishing. As your baby gets older, be making an increment on the amount of cereal by 1 to 2 teaspoons. Answering number 3 question, which is at which age to start and stop different Cerelac products. When to start depends on the particular product, but the general rule to when to start is considering the ingredients your baby's digestive system can handle at a particular age. Allergy is something else to watch out for. When to stop. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. There's no hard or fast rule here. If your child still enjoys the product after 1 year of age, go on and continue giving it. But your child should now be mainly on family diet. After 1 year and your child is still receiving the cereal, you should increase the amount being given to meet up with the nutritional needs of your child. What I mean here is that the nutritional need of a toddler will differ from that of an infant because Cerelac is fortified with vitamins, iron, and other minerals. Answering number 4 question, which is do I give my child less or more according to age? If you're still watching and you've not subscribed at this moment, please do so. Thank you. Do I give less or more? Usually your baby or child dictates the amount he or she is comfortable finishing. Do not force your child to eat more than he or she doesn't want to. A reminder to subscribe. You don't have anything to lose. Instead, you gain. Thank you.